computer paper to document an earthquake and adding a little stamped squirrel. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm going to add another page I'm going to cover this page with some of this computer paper, and I want to leave the holes. And this is for the documenting the 7.1 earthquake here, and you know, what we were doing and what we did after, and maybe I can get the kids to write something about it. But I thought that out of all the papers and things I had hanging around, that this would be a good paper for it. So I am going ahead and I'm folding this in. Because I want to be able to use this whole thing. I have a lot to tell on this one single page, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover it over the top of this. So we're going to pinch that so that we can cut it right there. Yeah, I want to use all of this. We always sleep outside some of the nights the kids are here, and so because we were still having aftershocks that we could feel, we went ahead and slept outside that night. It was beautiful though. It was a beautiful night. It wasn't really chilly at all. So that wasn't, I mean, to most people that might be out of the ordinary to sleep outside, but that's something that we do quite often. It's beautiful here. The sky is beautiful, and we're fenced in. Feel safe. So go ahead and go around the page. Is how I'm going to do it. The one that I'm gluing it to. We'll glue a little bit in the center. Put the lid on it so that, because we are we have hardly any glue between the two. Hardly any glue between the two. Maybe we'll go to town and get some. Okay, so here we go. Putting that in. So I still don't have my picture or my ink. I may just put the kids in the car and we'll go get the ink. Because I could have so much done if I had the ink. So this opens up like this, and so I'm going to be able to tell some story here, open, story here, open, and then probably sleeping outside here. So yeah, so that is going to be for recording the earthquake. Still can't believe 7.1. So on that day, and then back here, I haven't put it in yet, but we had a 6.4. I think I might put that on this page, just because it's got the numbers. And it was pretty early in the day. It was at 10:02, I believe, that we had the earthquake on 4th of July. It was a 6.4. We were actually not at home. We were in Ojai, and felt it, definitely felt it. So yeah, so I'm still working in my July journal from a simple kit for the challenge, for the July challenge. And this is the summer vacation little golden book album that I'm making to document the little vacation that I'm having with my grandkids. So I hope you enjoyed that. You know what? Let's do one more little thing. I had stamped this squirrel here and this one here. I'm not going to do anything with this one, but I went ahead and I stamped him also on this because that matches. And so I thought that would work. And then, you know what, if I'm doing stamped images and I stamp them on this cardstock before I put them on, I'm going to be able to look at how it's going to look. I think I'll like it better. Let's put it that way. Okay, so there we'll put this little squirrel. So we saw all kinds of squirrels when we were at Jackson Lake. They were all over. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so that was a short one, and anyway, I hope you find something to celebrate every day. I think I'm going to put this right here. That'll give me cohesiveness about the earthquakes. Might be kind of funny to put it sideways. It could even be a belly band. Oh yeah. So put it here, and then here. Could go off the edge a little bit. So anyway, we'll play with that later. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.